Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall revise unit number first, that is communication skills. Today we shall revise your unit number first, that is communication skills. Yes, my dear students, first all of you must aware about what is communication. Communication is what, my dear students? Sharing your ideas and thoughts with another person. Yes, my dear students, communications means what? If we want to share an idea with another person, then how we can do? We will do with the help of communication. And what is the definition of communication? Communication is a process by which we can share our ideas and thoughts with another person. Now, come to the next point, that is methods of communication. Yes, my dear students, methods of communication broadly categorized into three categories. First one is verbal and second one is non-verbal and the third one is visual. Clear? Now, come to the first point, verbal communication. Yes, my dear students, do you know what is the meaning of verbal communication? Means when we do the communication with the help of words. Means like I am speaking and all of you are listening, that is the part of your verbal communications. Means where we use the words to represent our thoughts and idea, that is called verbal communications. Means where we do communication with the help of words, that is called verbal communication. Now come to the next point, non-verbal communications. Means non-verbal means where we don't use any words and we do the communication with the help of our body language, our gesture, postures. This is called non-verbal communication, means where we use our body language. Suppose that we want to deny for something, then sometime we use, this is the part of our non-verbal communication. And suppose that someone saying to us, please give me one glass of water, we say, what it means? These are the parts of non-verbal communications where you use your body language, means where you use your gesture and postures. This is called non-verbal communications, means you are performing a communication but without speaking you are performing communications with the help of your body language. Now come to the third point, that is visual. Visual means, as the name shows, visuals means visually you do the communications, means देख कर कुछ भी सीखना, that is called visual communications. For an example, you watch any movie and you learn something from that movie, that is called visual communication. And in visual communication we basically use your images, photos, graphics, your audios and videos. All these are the parts of visual communications. Sometimes when you drive on a road, you see there are directions marked like left turn, right turn, and then there is U-turn. This kind of symbols are there. There is not written this is left turn and right turn. By the symbols you are able to know that this symbol is for right turn and this symbol is for left turn and this is for U-turn, and sometimes crossing symbol is there. This kind of symbols are there. and whenever you see this plus sign, it means that this is ambulance symbol, or you can say this is hospital mark. Clear? This kind of symbols are there by which we can do communication. That communication is called visual communication. Now come to the next topic, that is one more topic is here, non-verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, my dear students, all of you know that which thing we use. First one is body language, and in body language further divided into three parts. First one is your eye contact, and then your head position, and then the third point is here, facial expression. Body language further divided into three categories. And first one is eye contact. Eye contact means, my dear students, proper eye contact when you do a communication. And head position. Head positions means, earlier I told to you, suppose that someone asking for water, you were simply saying, someone asked to you, would you please give me a glass of water? Means you use your head positions, means move your head right and left direction, and then the facial expression. कई बार आपको गुस्सा आता है, क्या करते हो? Like this. This is your facial expressions. All these are the part of your body language. कभी आपका फेस हैप्पी होते हो, स्माइल करते हो, आप खुद सैड होते हो, गंदा सा मुंह बना के बैठ देते हो. All these are called your face expressions. और कई बार आप पूछते हो, हाँ ये कैसे हुआ? इसमें सरप्राइज. Facial expression, it may be your happiness, sad, surprise. All these comes under the category of facial expressions. And now different types of body gesture and posture. Some more points are here, like your shoulder shrug. Shoulder shrug means कोई भी आपको कुछ काम के लिए बोलता है, you simply say no. This is called shoulder shrug. And palm rub. Sometimes you are in meeting and sometimes you do like this, like this. This is called your palm rub, and all these come under the category of your body language. Clear? I hope all these points are clear to you.